Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Today we're bringing you some Italian chocolate. Now, I'm not very good at spelling Italian words, so I think that says firenze. It's 120 gram bar and it's in the shape of a letter envelope thing. So we're going to open this up. Inside is like a small chocolate bar. Alright. I don't know what these things are. Have a look. So that's the thickness of it. That's the back of it. In fact, it's got a world map on the back, which is interesting. Alright, so I'm going to take a bit of that. A little bit of that. Okay, that's what it looks like. The top of it is coconut. I would have known that if I could speak Italian. And the chocolate tastes quite nice. I noticed it was 35% cocoa. Very nice. Kind of like the sort of thing you might get on Cadbury's or something like that. Very smooth, very nice, very tasty. I can't argue with that. It was part of an Easter present, so I definitely recommend that. Very nice. I think the taste definitely reminds me of Galaxy. That's the only way I can describe it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll try and get back to you in the comments section. Leave a comment, subscribe. See you soon.